guys, welcome back to Supple. Afambo Biopala.
Afambo Hannah.
Afambo Charles.
Afambo Samuel.
And Afagibo Samuel. Welcome back to Supple, the Igbo language class. Tata n'ihe onyonyo a anyị ga-amụ I ga-akụzi unu ka esi agụpụta ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. That is, today we're going to be learning how to count in Igbo. That's from 1 to 10. I ga-amụ ka esi agụpụta ọnụọgụgụ n'Igbo site na otu ruo na iri. Yes, we're counting from 1 to 10. Okay, so children, in my last video I showed Charles, Hannah and Samuel, and they were trying to say how old they were in Igbo. So I asked them Aronekide, and Hannah said
Adimaro Asato.
well done, and Charles said
Adi Amara Arena 2.
Irinotu, and Samuel said Adimarato.
No.
What did you say? Adimarato. Adimarato.
No. I said
Okay, say Adimarato. Say it now, please.
Arena 2.
Okay, cool.
Adimaro Sato.
Adimarato.
Adimaro.
Adimarato. Good. So Samuel is 3 in Igbo. 3 is ato. So today, let's teach you
What is 10?
10. When we get to 10, I'll tell you. Okay? Shall we count in Igbo now?
Yes.
Yes. So can you go ọnụọgụgụ Igbo in Igbo? Ọnụọgụgụ means numbers. Ọnụọgụgụ. Ọgụgụ is to count. Mana ọnụọgụgụ in Igbo means numbers. Today we're going to be counting from 1 to 10. So 1 in Igbo is otu.
O2.
Otu.
O2.
2 abụọ.
2 abo.
3 atọ.
3 Ato.
4 anọ.
4 Ano.
5 ise.
5 Ise.
6 isii.
6 Isi.
7 asaa.
7 Asa.
8 asatọ.
8 Asato.
9 itoolu.
9 Itolu.
And 10 iri.
10 Iri.
And because Charles 10 iri, well done. So and because Charles is 11, 11 is iri n'otu. 11 iri n'otu. So iri n'otu means 10 and 1 because 10 iri, well done. So because otu bụ 1, iri n'otu bụ 10 and 1. Iri na otu. Onya mere iri n'otu bụ 11. So for that, iri n'otu is 11, guys. So I hope you're repeating this at home. Remember that from 1 to 10 in Igbo is otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. That's 1 to 10 in Igbo. Keep saying it. Keep counting. You will get it.
10 Iri.
10 iri.
10 Iri.
10 iri. So
I
guys,
would do 10 like this.
1 and 0. Do you know what? Next time, Nihoni na game also, Samuel gave deputa 10 iri because he seems to like 10 iri. So next time, Sam, you write 10 iri for us, okay?
Okay, like this.
And
Line and a circle.
yes, a 1 and a 0 and an O. 10 iri. 10. So shall we count it together? 1 otu, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 asii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 itoolu, and 10 iri. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video today. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comment to ask me questions. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. Ihe ọbụla unu chọrọ ịjụ, biko unu jupụtanụ m ya. Aga m azaghachi unu azụ maọbụ zienụ m email na supple.tilk@gmail.com. Aga m azaghachi unu azụ. If you send me an email, supple.tilk@gmail.com, and I will reply. Until then, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Obi and the gang from Supple saying, Cordino.
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 Oh my God.
Cordino.
In case you didn't get that, I'll just repeat it. So, ọnụọgụgụ Igbo site na otu ruo iri. The numbers in Igbo from 1 to 10 are 1, otu, 2, abụọ, 3, atọ, 4, anọ, 5, ise, 6, isii, 7, asaa, 8, asatọ, 9, itoolu, 10, iri. And our bonus number, because Charles is 11, is 11. Iri n'otu. 11. Iri n'otu. Thanks so much for tuning in to Super today. I hope to see you next time. Cordino. Bye.